In this video, we will show how you can create complex network projects in accordance with Cisco validated design guidelines within 3 minutes. First, select the type of infrastructure you wish to create. In this video, we'll create an office network based on Cisco SD-Access architecture guidelines. Next, set the general network requirements: number of end-use devices connected via wire or Wi-Fi, redundancy, number of virtual networks, WAN and related network services, firewall and performance metrics for external connections. Set redundancy requirements for the key solution components. Define your network's resiliency requirements. Second, set the physical network configuration, the number of sites and buildings, and the number of floors in each building. Miraworks will automatically distribute specified ports between buildings, evenly on all floors by default. It will also estimate the number of Wi-Fi access points based on the number of wireless users and the square footage of the buildings. Adjust the values manually if necessary. Third, set the duration of subscriptions and technical support and SLA level. Miraworks will evaluate the requirements and determine the architecture reference model according to Cisco CVD design guide and build project topology considering physical hardware location. The selection of hardware models takes into account the necessary functionality and roles in the SD-Access architecture. Perform the next steps just as you would in Cisco CCW. All changes between the specification and topology are synchronized. You can also check the solution against Cisco CVD recommendations at any time. The validation module checks the current version against the design guide and set requirements using multiple criteria. Validate the changes to subscription as you go. For example, change the number of Wi-Fi controllers to 1 and run the validation again. The validation module will detect deviations from the manufacturer's recommendations and suggest how to fix them. Once the technical solution is completed, export finished document and send to customers or colleagues description of SD-Access architecture and its benefits. Used Cisco technologies, architecture sizing for the specific project, solution compliance with Cisco CVD recommendations, equipment and system models, network layout, and the finished specification with Cisco GPL prices. Enjoy the power of IT simplicity with Miraworks.